Hey everybody, it's me, David. Welcome to my channel. Today is December 1st, 2023, and it is the first day of Vlogmas. A lot of people doing this. I figured I'd jump on the bandwagon. I wasn't sure if I was going to do it, but I figured what the heck. So I'm going to do my best to do a video every single day during the month of December. And today I want to talk a little bit about what I've been up to and what the future of this channel might be. So I started this, I don't know, about 2 years ago. Been trying to figure out exactly what I want to do with it, and it's been kind of slow going. I noticed I picked up a few new subscribers, and I just want to say hi and thank you for trying to check me out and supporting me. I appreciate it. Every little thing helps. We're just building, and so I've actually shot a lot of projects. I have been trying to figure out how to edit them in a way that I'm happy with, and that's been a little bit of a challenge. Plus work schedule and whatever. But I don't want to bore you with my life details. But anyway, uh, what I hope to do in the next month is do a little video, talk about what I'm doing. I'm here in our studio, which really is a photography studio, and I've kind of taken it over and brought in my equipment. I've been making things in here. Uh, Halloween this year was a little bit different. I didn't really make a costume for myself or my family. I did, however, make costumes for a parade float, which was fun. They did a Spaceballs theme, and I made costumes for the Dink Dinks, the little sort of sidekicks to the Yoda parody character Yogurt in the movie, and that was a lot of fun. I thought they came out pretty good. I didn't document it. I felt like I needed to focus on what I was doing. I took a couple of pictures and a couple of Instagram posts, but I didn't feel the need to make a video about it. So I kind of took a little time off from filming things. I wanted to kind of focus on building up my skills a little bit more, because what I do here on these videos isn't really a how-to video, because in a lot of ways I'm still learning. Even though I've been doing this a long time, I feel like there's a lot of things that I still need to learn, and just work on my own skill set. So uh, what I'll be doing here moving forward is not really how-to videos, but more like how I did it videos. And I'm hoping that maybe if someone watching these say there's a better way to do that, that they'll share that with me. Shortly open to comments, all that stuff. And I'd love to learn new techniques. And I hope that I can share things that I know with all of you, and just have fun with this. So uh, in the next couple of weeks, I'm going to be reconfiguring this whole space. I'm going to work on my lighting and set up cameras to do some live streams and just have fun with it. That's really it. So anyway, I think that'll do it for today. Tomorrow, December 2nd, also happens to be my birthday, so I'm not sure if I'll have time to actually make a video tomorrow, but I'm going to try. I'm getting my hair cut and deal with this mess, and then I will catch up with you on the next video. So happy Vlogmas, everybody, and I'll see you next time. Bye.